Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Nestle yogurt at home. Heat the milk to 82 degrees C to denature proteins, then cool to 43 degrees C before adding the starter. Whisk in the starter gently and pour into clean jars. Insulate jars in a warm place for 6 to 12 hours, depending on desired tang. Chill for at least 4 hours to set the texture before serving. Preheat your milk slowly and stir often to avoid burning and to improve final texture. Use a reliable thermometer and stop heating at 82 degrees C, then remove from heat and cool to 43 degrees C naturally or in a cold water bath. When the milk reaches 43 degrees C, add 2 tablespoons of starter yogurt and whisk gently until fully incorporated. Quick and careful temperature control is the key to creamy, reliable yogurt every time. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet like your yogurt. Go darn tough for comfort and durability with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing in the kitchen while you incubate jars. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, it's a small win for cozy cooking. Now let's get back to the video. Place jars in an insulated cooler, oven with light on, or yogurt maker to hold 43 degrees C during incubation. Check firmness at 6 hours and extend to 12 hours for tangier, thicker yogurt. After incubation, move jars to the fridge for at least 4 hours to chill and set fully. For thicker Greek-style yogurt, strain through cheesecloth for 1 to 3 hours. Add fruit, honey, or preserves before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.